you go down the boat.
Is it right here?
Yeah, it's right there, straight up.
We got some glasses. I left them in the car.
Yeah, you gotta have them glasses, bro. You wanna look at them?
He is gone. Guess up. Oh, they will sit in here. You can say this. We'll sit here.
You can see it. You see the look the circle. You see it? Oh, that's crazy. You see it? You see it? Wow, look how dark it is. That's cool. See it. You gotta see it. This is awesome. That's tight. Wow.
What the fuck? It just went dark.
Yeah, the eclipse is covering everything. It's gonna have to. We'll be dead by the time it happens again.
This one turn it back.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. When it cross over.
Oh, off and on and shit?
Yeah, for till 3:20 something in the afternoon.
I'm gonna get the nighttime version.
That's crazy.
Sure, keep them. I got it right.
You gotta use your glasses so you can see how pretty it is.
It is brighter than my birds.
That's
Yeah.
I found branches to
It happened in Mexico first. That's why you need the glasses. Don't look at it, baby. Let the phone take a picture.
Let's just see.
Look at the baby. He's like, yeah.
You can't even see it through the glasses.
Not these, because they're not made for those.
Nope, we got them from that dude.
Look how dark it is behind us, baby. It looks nighttime.
Alright.
It's crazy. We just dated. We might go come back on.
When it passes over. When it passes over.
It's gonna be like that to 3 something.
Mm-hmm.
And it's only like what? It's only 142. Real for the game.
Oh, babe, let's see that. Let's see that man see it because he can't see it. He's moving.
He was right here.
I know, we took his spot.
So you get it.
You wanna see it, sir? See it? You wanna see it? You can see it right here. Oh, you can see it. You can see it real good right here too.
Right here.
You can see it perfectly over here.
What? There.